Hey, hotel hoppers, and welcome to another episode. Today we are excited to be in Novotel Chumphon and checking out one of the superior suites, the one in particular at 2112. Come on in and see how does this look like. So this hotel is great when you're doing a road trip from, let's say, Bangkok to Phuket, or like from north to south. It's in the middle of the way, close to the sea, and great to have a stop. It's a bit older hotel, as you can see, like some part of the wall is discolored, but it's still functional, and it's spacious, at least the suite. We got upgraded to this time. Here is the bathroom. I can imagine that it's the same bathroom in non-suite rooms as well, single sink. It's nice to see that they are following brand standards. So the Novotel typical amenities, extra toilet paper and tissue box. What is really interesting is look at the design of this bathtub. I don't know, I think thousands of hotels, and this is the first time I see this is like a pear-shaped bathtub. And it also has a rainforest shower and a toilet with a bidet shower and big towels. Here we have a big closet with robes and a bit discolored slippers. For tea and coffee there is a water boiler. We have 3 bottles of water, some Tilmach teas and Nescafe. And if you want to cool down stuff, you have this mini fridge, so you can put your snacks there. The living room part is big. There is like furniture, space, a dining table, a connecting door for a twin room. The sofa could be a bit bigger considering the size of the room. Look, it's like good for 2 persons, but then there you have so much space, so it could be like, I would say, the furniture could be upgraded, and we can see that it has some stains, so it has probably seen better days. Nice thing, you have your private router. So I'm not sure if it's working, but I will test the internet speed later and I will report it back to you. But it also has a TV if you want to watch something in the evening. It looks a bit older TV, but I'm sure it works. And let's now look in the bedroom. So being a suite, king size bed, which kind of like, I would say a resort style Novotel. That if you look, the city Novotels, even if the previous generation, they didn't have this layout, so it has a bit of like its own character, I would say. It also has the window. Here, from the window, we see the main entrance of the hotel, and we see also the seaside, which is across the main road. What else? There is also a working desk. So if you want to catch up with your work, at least you have a working desk. One thing I see that I think it's a bit older generation hotel where people didn't have mobile phones or laptops to carry with them around. So the power plugs are limited. There is like one on the table. I see none by the beds. So those are probably limited. You have to see how to charge the gadgets. There is a safe. Looks like it should fit a smaller laptop, a hairdryer, umbrella. Yeah, I see there are 2 more power plugs next to the door. Then we have the dining table. They have put some fresh flowers. This is nice touch. And the welcome amenities. 2 apples and dragon fruit. And you have access to the balcony. The door is a bit complicated. There are like number 1 and number 2, so you have to fidget with number of locks to get it open, but I already pre-opened it before. And let's get out here. So you don't have classical chairs, but there is a kind of bench you can lean on. You can see the parking lot, the main entrance, and the seaside and the coconut palms. And further away, there is also the main swimming pool. I think the only weakness, what I kind of fear, is that it might be very close to the road. So I think it might be noisy during the nighttime, but well, we'll see how the night goes. But in any case, it's a place probably you stay just a night on your road trip. And I think for this purposes, definitely it fits. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this tour here at the Novotel Chumphon, the Superior Suite. This is what you would get if you would stay over here. If you have some extra questions regarding this particular Novotel, you can put it in the comments below. We're happy to get back to you. And then if you want to see other reviews we have been doing, like you can scroll back the other reviews at the Hotel Hoppers channel. We have been reviewing quite some hotels in Bangkok, Hua Hin, Pattaya, Phuket, Khao Lak, and a number of other places. So we hope you find something there. And if there are some hotels you're interested in, we haven't done the review yet, put it in the comments below and let us know what you're interested in, so we can go to those hotels as well and hopefully make the reviews. Thank you for watching this episode, and see you soon again somewhere in the new hotel, in the new room or a suite. Thank you. Oh, and if you want to see those updates we're making, hit the subscribe button so you would be first one to get notified of all the next reviews we're making as well. But that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you soon again in the new episode.